In this question, they are saying a car is moving in a straight line with a speed of 18 km per hour. It is stopped in 5 seconds. So, what they are trying to say कि initially it was moving with 18 km per hour and further it stopped. Okay. So, if you see, so they have hiddenly given you this thing, final velocity also. Okay. Or else you can say final speed also. So, firstly, we'll mention given. Okay. Then initial velocity is something 18 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then we have the final velocity. It would be something 0 kilometer per hour, right? Time is given as how much? 5 second. So here they have gave you like time 5 second. Firstly, they have asked you the speed of the car. Okay. What is the speed of the car? Already we know it is 18 km per hour and the final one is 0. But they have asked you the speed of the car in 18 meter per, speed of the car in meter per second. What we have in kilometer per hour. So let's go with the first one. Okay. First one, what is the what we need to find? Speed in meter per second. Okay. So look, already we have a speed, but it is in kilometer per hour. It is 18 kilometer per hour. So can I write that 18 into 5 by 18 will be in meter per second, right? So here it will be, then 18 cancel out, how much it is? 5 meter per second. I hope solution is clear with the first one. Second one, they have asked you the retardation. Retardation means they are asking you the acceleration. So you must be knowing the formula for acceleration. What it is? Acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity upon whatever the time was. So final velocity in our case is 0 minus 18 kilometer per hour. Don't write, okay? Because at that point again you have to what we say, you have to convert in meter per second. So better you go with what? 5 meter per second. Okay. Divided by the time, that is also 5. So here you will find that minus 5 upon minus 5 looks like it would be minus 1. Since it is an acceleration, unit will be what? Meter per second square. So here we get minus 1 meter per second square. Now coming to the third one, that is the speed of the car after 2 seconds of applying the brake. So that is the third part. Here they are asking you speed, okay, but not at 5 seconds. ठीक है, 5 seconds पे नहीं. They have given you a condition कि they want to determine the speed in 2 seconds. Understood? We need to find the speed, but the condition is that in a time period of how much? 2 seconds. So look, what you will do? Speed is equals to, look, what we can put it over here. Either you can use the kinematical equation, but if you are dealing with the section A, you have not done it with those 3 equations. Okay. So in such condition, you can use this formula, acceleration is equals to final velocity. Okay. So you can use the same formula, A is equals to V minus U upon T. What is the acceleration? Minus 1. Final velocity we need to find. What was the initial one? It was 5. Okay, then time, this time don't consider 5 seconds. They have given you a condition for 2 seconds to go with that. Now simplify this equation. Can I write this as minus 2 equals to V minus 5, right? So in such condition, what would be the V? It will be minus 2 plus 5. So how much I get? 3, right? Equals to V. So therefore you can mention at that point velocity will be 3 meter per second. Understood? So this is how you need to solve. In case if you have any doubt, you can reach to us. Thank you.